So anyways, yeah, that's kind of interesting. The other thing that I am thinking about is the fact that since it's unprecedented, right? Since we haven't had anything like this in our lifetime. I mean, I'm not super young, but I'm not super old. But even our parents, like this Spanish flu thing was before them.
Well, that was the whole point about talking about the comparison with the Spanish flu and the Great Depression, is that was 3 generations ago. Because there's
3 generations.
Yeah, I mean, unless like, well, I have kids, so that's 4 generations ago. So it's like, but if we consider our generation, right, we're in our late 30s, early 40s, right?
Yeah.
So if we consider this one generation, our parents, the previous one, that was the grandparents.
Yeah.
So in 3 generations, this is like the biggest like scare, It's so it's people are really feeling the impact. I think a lot of people have we're not used to battle conditions in a way, unless someone's kind of been in those situations. Some of us have, and so some of us are a little bit more used to that type of thing. And maybe those who have been in like extreme poverty, like at the point of death or things like that, may at least be a little bit more kind of accustomed to dealing with this kind of situation. But those who have kind of been in a safe spot their whole life, maybe somewhat affluent, this is coming as a complete shock, you know, and so it's.
You mean all of us? I mean, most of us.
Well, some of us. I know you've dealt with your own level of dealing with certain difficulties, and I know I have, and it's almost like we're more used to struggling, basically.